Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnails for YouTube. Before we get right into that, be sure to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the notification bell. Anyway, let's get started.
So the first thing you want to do is go to Google Chrome, so click here. Next thing you want to do is go to this website called Pixlr. Alright, so I'll type it in for you, pixlr.com. Alright, press enter. Go to Advanced Pixlr E. Alright, create new. Alright, now you want to type in the amount of width and the amount of height. Alright, so the amount of width you want is 1280 and height 720. Alright, so now press create. Now that we've gotten that taken care of, the next thing you want to do is go here. Alright, now you want to find a background for your thumbnail. So I'll just go ahead and type black background. Alright, now press enter, go to images. Now you can click on any of these. I'm probably gonna go ahead and click this one. Alright, now you want to press save image as. Now press black background. Alright, and press save. Now you want to go here and press open image. Alright. If you want to get rid of this, white thing down here, just go here, press crop, and there. Now the next thing you want to do is try and find a sticker for it. So let's say this is like Instagram related, so go to Instagram logo PNG. I would suggest clicking on the first one. Alright, save image as. Instagram. And then press save. Alright, make sure I'm not missing anything. By the looks of it, it doesn't look like I'm missing anything, so I'll just press save. Alright. Now go here to layer. Add image as layer. Now do Instagram logo. Whoa, that's big. But it's okay, I'll just shrink it down. Alright. Now the next thing you want to do is add some text. Alright. Now, hang on, sorry. Right click. There it is. Alright, add. So this isn't really a real video, so I'll just make one up. So I'll just do, hang on, if you want to press caps lock, go ahead. Alright, so I'll just do follow me on Instagram. Alright. Now if you want to decrease the size, just go here. Alright. Now you want to put this in a certain spot. Now, if you want to choose, you know, a different color, just go here. Alright. Let's go with red. I mean, red isn't bad after all. Alright. Now, if you want to choose a font, go here. We'll just choose a random font. So, I'd say choose... which one? I guess let's just go with this one. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Alright. Now that we've gotten that taken care of, let's go to File and press Save. I guess I'll just do testing. Oh, sorry. I still have the caps lock. Okay. Okay. Testing. Honestly, I don't think you can change, you know, the image width and the height. I mean, if you want to change the width and the height, I'm sure there are websites that will help you take care of that, but this was a tutorial for making thumbnails, not resizing photos. Anyway, once you're done, just press download. Alright, wait about 5 seconds, and you're done. See guys, that wasn't so hard. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm not gonna bother saying all that stuff because you know what comes next. You know what I'm gonna say. But if you really want to hear it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to share this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. And peace out.